17, and today's video I am covering list in Python. As we know that list is a most important, fundamental, mutable, versatile data structure in Python. So in this video we are covering so many topics, methods, operation, function, how to create, how to access a list. So this video has become more importable and important for everyone. So now one advice for everyone: ki use headphone, better quality of audio. And now the today code section, if you are trying to bring, if people are trying to bring you down, it only means that you are above them. So don't think about the people, just stay your journey, continue your journey with full of joyness. And I hope ki one day you will definitely learn Python programming language. And now as per today topic, Python list. So first we see the definition. So the definition of Python list is this: key lists are fundamental and versatile data structure in Python programming. This shortest and most beautiful and most suitable definition for Python list. Now first I want to go for my IDLE, it where we write a code, edit a code, and run the code. So now the first thing I want to share with everyone, key list versus arrays. So arrays are also similar as list, but there is one main difference. The difference between list and arrays look like this: key if you create a list, so you can store different type of value on it, like integer, float, string, and you also store a bool value on it like this. So the list store different type of data on it, but arrays are not. Arrays only store same type of data. If you store integer, so you only store integer on it, not any other data type. So the difference between list and array this. And we can also set one thing, ki lists are heterogeneous and arrays are homogeneous. So actually wait, lists are heterogeneous and arrays are homogeneous. I am right, because the meaning of heterogeneous is this and meaning of homogeneous is this. So now the second difference between list and array is what? Ki arrays are faster than list. Because of what? Because of that list, in arrays elements are stored one by one, so the operation performing it's become very fast. But as compared to list, elements are stored randomly. That's why arrays are faster than list. So the two major difference I share with you. Now here we see how to create a list. How to create a list. So creating a list is very easy. If I am create a list L, and I just create the list L 1 2 3 and 4 and 5, it's very easy. If I am trying to print my L, so they give me output. And we also create a list by using the type conversion method. So as we noted, if I am print this, so it's create a empty list for me like this. Now we also create a 2D list with the help of we also create a 2D list like this. Now if I am create a L1, so I can just use two brackets, two square bracket under the brackets like this. So it's my 2D list. If what the int objection not defined, okay, I use something wrong like this. Okay. So I also create a 2D list, 1 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 and 4. Yes, it's a correct. My if I'm trying to print my 2D list, so it's printed for me. So in this video we are covering how to create a list, 2D list, and empty list, and simple list. So now the next topic I am talking about, the topic is what? The topic is that key how to access the element in the list. Now I am create a one more list like this: 1 2 3 4 5. So this is my new list everyone, the L1 list. If I want to access 2, so with the help of indexing I can easily access the element of 2, because I know the in Python indexing is started from 0. So if I give the indexing 1, means 0 and 1, so the my output will be 2, look like this. and I also access the element with the help of negative indexing, because I know in Python the negative index is started from 1. So if I want to access this 3 with the help of negative indexing, so I just input here -2 and I get my answer 4 by 4. Okay, -1 and this is -2. If I want to access this, so I put -3. So how to access the element with the help of indexing is look like this. And now we can see how to edit a list. How to edit a list? So there are four major methods to how to edit a list, like append and extend, and one more method, I think insert method. So there are the most useful method to edit a list, to add a element in the list. So these methods are very similar to use, but the use of case is very different on this method. If I print my L1, okay, if I print my L1, so my list is this. Now I want to add something at the last on the list, so I just use my append method. I call my append method and easily add so many. If I want to add 5, 6, 7 and 8, so syntax error because of I use double quotation on here. Now I want to write again L1 L1 dot append 6, 7 and 8. So given 3. Okay. This method is only add one element. Don't forget this. If I am forget, so it's a my mistake. With the help of append method, we just add only one element in the end of the list. I just write 6 here and I print my L1, so I get 6 in the list. So what can I do if I want to add multiple element? So we use second method. What's our second method? Extend method. So if I use my extend method here, so I store multiple element in the list. If I'm trying to, the behavior of extend is built based on store multiple elements. So I given a string, but with the help of extend, this extend add this string in the list in the form of list. So if I'm trying to print my L1, if I am trying to print my L1, so it's look like this. Now everyone str because I use two type of extend method. So and the last method of in these videos we are covering L1 L1 dot insert method. With the help of insert method we insert anything in the indexing. If I want to add something between 2 and 3, so I use the indexing method. Both are indexing between 2 and 3, so I think 0, 1 and 2 the indexing into what I want to add. If I want to add some string on here, if I want to add hello here, so with the help of indexing I print my L1 and it's store hello there. Now the fourth thing we are covering on this video with the help of now we are cover access, edit and create. So now it's a time for know how to delete element in the list. So there are several methods we can covering all, like del and del again remove is also a method, and one more method everyone, it's a pop method, and we also cover clear method on this video. So now these are the methods. We are covering all the topics very similarly fastly. So I just create my L2 list and store the elements very simpler: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these are the elements. If I'm trying to print my L2, so it's give me this. So what's the del method use? If I want to use my del method, so I just use my L2 variable here and I just use del. What I want to delete, if I want to delete something, like I want to delete 2 in the list, so what's the syntax error? Okay, del L L2 L2, what I want to delete, if I want to delete 2 here, so invalid. Okay, yes, if I want to use del method, so just L L2 here and 2 and I just print my L2. So now look everyone, with the help of these methods are wrong. If we want to use del method, so we use square bracket, not this type of brackets. So with the help of indexing I give the 2, and now in this my list indexing 2, so the element is present here is 3. So when I trying to, after using this method, I print my L2, and it's remove the element that present in the in the position of indexing 2. So delete method is used look like this. Now if I want to use remove method, so I just print my L2 dot remove. What I want to remove, if I want to remove something with the name, so if I want to remove 5, so this method, with the help of this method I can easily remove 5. So the output will be 1 2 4 and 6, look like this. Now one more method, two more method. With the help of pop method we can easily pop anything. With the help of pop method we easily delete the last element. Now what are the methods? Like this method, what I want to use, I want to use pop method. I just use here, and with the help of this method the last element will remove automatically. Like 6 is removed from my list, so I just print this list again, and you see the output will be 1 2 and 4. The one more method, with the help of clear method we can easily clear the list and we get empty list. So now I just use the clear method, l dot clear. With the help of this method I can get empty list. Because of what? Because of this method work to clear the full list. Now I get empty list. So friends, these are the simple methods, functions we can use in a list, and how to edit, how to access, how to delete. And we also see how to create 2D list and simple list, how to use, how to create empty list. So I hope guys ki you just like this video. if this video is helpful for you, so please share with your friend, and मिलते हैं next video में. Thanks for watching everyone.